Hello, YouTubers. This is Prasenjit again from Mr. Natural Banana. I'm here today to review this product called Wholesale Blend. Especially people who are into fitness and into bodybuilding, you at some point in your life you must have tried meal replacement, and meal replacement are supposed to be really yummy. That's one thing I go for. Secondly, sometimes it could be really handy. Like you're on the fly, have no time to make your meals, and I can guarantee all the fitness lovers would agree with this. At times, you run out of your chicken breast or other meals, and either you look for something alternative, or anything like meal replacement always comes in handy. So I got this from Myprotein, also known as My Vegan. As you can see the label, My Vegan whole fuel blend. So it is not saying meal replacement, because for some reason it doesn't say meal replacement. It says whole fuel blend. That means it has everything in a meal that you need. And also you can see at the top it says My Vegan. You can see My Vegan. I'm lactose intolerant, so I can't go with the milk replacement one. So I have to go with the whole fuel blend. Now, I've been trying this for a while, so I'll give you a complete quick taste test. Also, I'll try to tell you what exactly you can get from this, or is it worth the money. This bag contains 2.5 kilo, like just over 5 pounds, and cost you around 27-30 pounds. Or if you're from India, and cost up to 3,000 rupees. But most time you can get discount. You can ideally buy in and around 20-25 pounds. So if there's a big deal, but no matter what type of deal, I haven't seen going below 20 pounds. So that's one thing. So this flavor is chocolate, as you can see. So you may ask, what is a fuel blend or meal replacement? Just to give you a quick idea, it's a complete meal replacement. For an example, in your lunch, if you're having chicken breast, veggies, and some brown rice. So if you're replacing this with this, it will basically have all the essential and the non-essential vitamins and minerals and other nutrients that you need in it. Okay, so that's what meal replacement is. Now, this product is completely sourced from plant, so there is no animal or milk product in it. Every serving will give you 30 gram. It says 30 gram of vegan protein high in fiber. That's quite controversial. Over here it says 24 gram, but on the website it's saying 30 gram. So what happens? You have to take 2 scoops of it. Each scoop weighs 50 grams. So you have to take 2 scoops, and every bag contains 30 servings for a month, I think. So you take 2 scoops, which is 100 gram. Now, from 100 gram, you get 24 to 30 gram, whatever it is. Also, do the taste test for you. Now, plant-based, the only defect is it's not once you mix it, it's always on a creamier side. So that's something you have to be mindful about, and it's also need a lot of money, also need a lot of water. Okay, otherwise mixability is quite nice, as you can see. Need a few shakes, need no lumps at all. You may see a little bit of dots here. This could be due to the ingredients they have made. Okay, let me give a taste test. Well, I have tried already, so I would not still fake before you. The taste is great across all the flavors. So if you plan to buy the chocolate one, if you're into chocolate. Otherwise, vanilla and salted caramel are also the options you have. I didn't like that much, but this is an improved, I think, the chocolate. It really tastes chocolatey, a bit of nutty, like coconutty. I feel a bit of a grain in my mouth. Okay, so let's see what type of things else they have written in here. Every serving will give you 392 calories, fat 12 gram fat. You would get carbohydrates 44 grams, some fiber 8.8, and 23 gram of protein. The protein, otherwise the best part is it has got vitamins and minerals like uh, probiotics in it, biotin, calcium, all the good stuff that we need, and they're not in bad proportion. You almost get 32% of everything. Let's say if you have to consider biotin, so you're getting 32%. 32% when it writes, it's like I think the overall throughout the day out of 100%, it um, providing you 32%. So that's not bad because you'd have other meals as well, right? Now, if you take 4 meals, for replacement, that means 100%, which makes sense. And it has also got omega-6 fatty acids, omega-3 as well, and zinc. That's good. It has got 30% zinc in it, almost 3 milligrams. And every pack contains 25 servings. Sorry if I have mentioned any other amount. Taste standpoint, absolutely good. I like the profile. Not sweet at all. Very minimal sweet. So have added sweeteners, but it's on a very lighter side. If you ask my opinion, I think, yeah, this is a very handy product. It's not expensive. If you have seen Huel, the brand which is all over the internet, that very expensive compared to this. I think Huel, the same would cost you at least, I think, about 50, 60 pounds, but you can get under 20 pounds, almost one third of the price. Out of 10, I'll give it easily 8 rating because of the taste, because after some point taste can become a bit boring. So taste is okay. I wish if they make it a bit lighter, because currently it still feels thick and creamy in your mouth. And especially people who consume protein shake a lot, you may agree or not, up to you. I'm not fond of creamy protein shake anymore because I have to do it every day a few times. So you can't be bothered having a creamy water or flavor or shake in your mouth all the time. So something light would be really good. If Myprotein never see this video, if you can make the profile a bit like clear protein or collagen protein, which is really nice to drink, instant, you just mix it. So still all right, I would say 5. Taste, yeah, 10 out of 10. Protein, very dubious. Somewhere it says 25, 23, and 30. So then you, for Myprotein, really need to make sure what is the real protein serving in it, which I'm still doubtful. I haven't done a lot of research on it. Maybe in future I will, or otherwise I'll put in the description what is the real amount of protein after I have researched on it properly. Apart from that, the final verdict is this product you should only have or use if you're on the rush, on the run, or you run out of your groceries or ration. Then yeah, once in a few days you should take one, but you shouldn't make it. But this should not be a go-to for every meal. Okay, let's say if you're working out in the morning and have your protein shake, but later during the day 2-3 meals if you're taking, you shouldn't supplement this instead of real food, because at the end of the day, no food can replace the real food, okay, artificial food. It's because it's still processed in some form. Though how much you say it's healthy, vegan, all natural resource, but still natural foods are natural, okay? Otherwise, always make sure that you have your real food, the good stuff that have at home. And that's it, I think. Overall, it's a great product. You can always give it a try. Not too expensive. Once in a while, you take it. And hope you enjoy the video.